Let's start by drawing the mushroom hut. First, we will draw the base of the hut. The base would look something like this. Now let's make the top of the mushroom hut. Start by making an oval around the top. Now let's make the top a big inverted U. Now connect the top with the base, like this, nice and slow, repeated lines. Decorate the top of the mushroom. Draw small and big circles, some complete circles, and some semicircles. Mushroom is ready. Now we have to make a door. Since this is a hut, we would need a door to get inside the hut. Make a big inverted U. Great! Let's make the doorknob. Since it's a wooden door, we are going to make these wooden slabs. Let's make a ventilator on the top, a small circle with cross lines. The hut is ready. Now, let's make the area that is around our mushroom hut. Let's start by drawing horizontal lines on either side of the hut. Now draw the bushes on both sides of the hut. Draw a passageway, starting from the door. Now let's make the sun shining on this side of the hut, as we have some good space over here. A big circle, and let's make the sun smile. Let's make the rays. Draw two little clouds. Our drawing is ready. Color it as you like. We have colored it like this. Hope you like it.